So the last time so many of you were upset that I didn't show inside the room, so I decided I'd do that this time. It's not my birthday, but it's an important person's birthday, so look what they did for us. I didn't even ask for it though. That's cool. And there is a view through the windows. They're a bit dirty, but you already saw the beauty of the view from the balcony, right? So don't mind the dirty windows. There's air conditioning, right? Those switches operate the lights. So what you're seeing here are actually night lights, right? And we have our AC remote. Haven't figured out what this lower switch does, but there's a similar setup on the other side of the room. And this rope and wooden arrangement here, these serves as our shelves and also our mini closet, and it has some flowers as well, which I believe are fresh flowers, right? Yeah, fresh flowers from outside. There is a safe as well, right? And let me show you the bathroom. So the bathroom is really nice. Actually had to re-record the bathroom because I realized that I hadn't turned on the light switch. So this is take 2. This is take 2, so you can appreciate the stones a lot better. We're in the shower. We're in the shower with some soap on the side in a dispenser.